In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the oil paint text effect in Canva. To get started, in the left panel, add in your text by choosing a text style and type in your text. Next is select your text and change the font into finger paint. Now once again in the left panel, hover your mouse on elements. Select a shape such as square and drag it to your canvas. Reposition the shape and make sure that it occupies the whole text. Then next is click on your text. Right click on it, hover your mouse on layer, and make sure that you bring it forward or it's on top of the shape. Now change the color of your text. The same with your background color. And once done, download this as PNG. Press on share at the top right corner of your screen, then click on download. Download this as a PNG file. Then once done, you can now remove the text and the shape. Now in the new tab, you can just head over and search up for oil paint. Browse for any colors that you would like to use and copy the image and paste it on your canvas. Now from here, just drag your downloaded PNG that we created earlier, select the image, and click on Background Remover. Now just reposition your photo on areas that you would like to be put on your text. Now crop out some areas of the oil painting, just leaving the black background outside. Now click on your main background and change it to the same color as your current text background. In my case, it's black, so I'm just gonna change it to black. Now download this once again as a PNG file. Now you can remove these elements on your canvas and drag in your downloaded PNG file. Now from here, select the image and simply click on background remover once again. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!